think that prom is pretty outdated when it comes to like Gen Z doing prom. I think that that's why their outfits are so fun. You want to put something new into it.
Hi everyone, I am Tati Coakley and welcome to Prom with 17. We have 3 amazing seniors who are here to take on our upcycled prom challenge. Brie, Allie, and Dylan each had $200 and 2 weeks to create their upcycled prom looks. And now we have 3 amazing judges who is gonna let us know who's taking the crown. Let's meet our judges.
Hey guys, it's Monet here, and I'm so excited to be part of this panel today and talk all things prom. I've been on YouTube for 2 years now, but I grew up on the platform, love it there. My senior year, I wore this long bedazzled gown that honestly to this day, it's in my archives. I'm ready to pull it again.
Hey guys, it's Desmi Ray, songwriter, actor, musician, father of 3, boyfriend of 6, and mother to none. So yeah, I'm here to judge. My prom look was a little bit scary. I looked hetero, giving a little bit, you know, pixie femme queen. Hopefully some of the girls give me the same.
Hi, I'm Sydney Morgan. I'm one of YouTube's fastest growing shorts creators in the fashion and beauty space, and I've been on YouTube for over 2 years now. I did not get to attend my prom. My junior year, I was in the hospital. In my senior year, there was a global pandemic. But I'm excited to live my prom fantasy with 17 today.
Do y'all think y'all have what it takes to judge people by the looks of these outfits? Oh no.
I took my notes. I'm excited to see what's trending this season.
Do we feel like we are allowed to judge this fashion? Like, who are we to tell them what's cute and what's not? I feel like you're good.
Yeah, I would trust you. I'm trying to hear your
I take your word for it.
You sure?
Right, you put this together yourself, huh?
I sure didn't. I feel like y'all should be dressing me. It's giving lawyer and then Cinderella. And I look like I'm about to like serve y'all tea, but that's okay.
In just a little bit, we'll be able to see our final upcycled prom looks. So let's meet our designers and see what they've been up to. Let's meet Dylan.
Oh, this could be cool.
Hi, my name is Dylan. I'm 19 and I'm a senior. My personal style's like kind of all over the place.
This could be cute. I don't even know what it is.
My main look would probably be like 70s because like I like to do like streetwear, high-end wear. I love Schiaparelli. This gold eye look is like my signature everyday thing. I just like love the way like gold and like black go together. Another one would probably be like blue marine because I just love denim. My favorite thing about fashion would be that you get to express yourself, let people know who you are.
Oh my God, it's gonna be hard for me to like look for stuff to cut up. Just want these for myself.
We're at Beacon's Closet. I got this bag. I got a pair of pants, this long and flowy, a jacket, a veil, and a cap, some jewelry so I kind of like elevate the look and give off that streetwear vibe, but still like cool. Haven't been to prom. I'm excited. I still need to figure out what I'm gonna wear. It would be something along the lines of like this, if it comes out exactly the way I want it to, which it probably will. I'm really good with stretch and knitwear, and I never make patterns. I just like always eyeball it. The only thing I'm worried about is that I got all these like amazing pieces, and it's like I have an idea in my head, but like when I put them all together, they kind of come out like jankety. I have hope that it will come out exactly the way I want it, so, you know.
I love him.
I love the confidence. If you're confident in it, I'll believe it. Like,
Of course, if you're gonna wear an outfit, you have to be confident.
right. I like the idea of bringing streetwear, which is more casual, into something that's more elevated in a prom type of way. And he had me at veil.
Yeah, I mean the eyeliner.
Yeah.
The eyeliner's sick.
The denim was talking to me.
Rhythm was talking to you?
Denim.
Well, can't wait to see what he has.
Let's meet Allie.
No, this is going back. Hi, I'm Allie. I'm a senior in high school. I'm from Manhattan and I'm 17. Fashion design is my favorite creative outlet because I like how you're able to play with different silhouettes, change how you're perceived by other people. My personal style, I like to go for very oversized things, but I also like to use and work elements of deconstruction and upcycling in my everyday clothes. I really like the work of the designer Willie Chavarria. He's from New York. He's known for his like very oversized silhouettes, but then when it comes to deconstruction, I'm really into Sakai, and I also love Comme des Garçons. It's out of this world, and it completely transports you into a different reality. I'm trying to think of something that's kind of like slightly androgynous, but also not too manly. Maybe like a big cape. I'm gonna put this back because I found this. I'm thinking of kind of cropping it, making it into a set, and then tailoring it to be a little bit more fitted, doing like a bunch of like men's dress shirts deconstructed and sewn into each other. This is kind of the thing that I would go for when I was talking about the cape. I really love this pleating detail. The main garment that I found was this vintage Dior nightgown. It has this really cool lace detail. It is a little sheer, which might be a problem. I think that prom is pretty outdated when it comes to like Gen Z doing prom. I think that that's why their outfits are so fun, because prom feels old. You want to put something new into it. I will be going to prom. I'm going with my friends and I'm very excited.
I love that she knows her designer, she did her research. I feel like everything she's doing is very technical, she knows how to do it. And I also love that she's going for like a more androgynous prom look. I think that's gonna be super cool to see.
She ate on saying like prom is dated though, because I'm like, facts. Like, we've been doing this forever, and like, I'm curious to see.
Like, I feel like I'm repping the dated prom, so let's see what's the next generation.
Yeah, especially in New York too. I feel like New York fashion, I'm like, what is tea?
Okay, let's meet Brie.
These are my size. I'm Brie. I'm a senior and I am 18. My personal style is kind of all over the place. Some days I want to look girly, some days I look more masculine. Sometimes I'm very ethereal. Some days I look like the music I listen to, rock and roll. I kind of like every designer. Everybody has their own take on fashion, and I kind of draw that to what I wear also. Not everything must be in one aesthetic. My inspiration is a mixture between Marilyn Monroe and modern era. I really want it to look very sexy. I'm not very open with what I usually wear, so I wanted this to be like a new era for me. So my back is gonna be completely out. I like these. I break an ankle though. I've been sewing since I was 8. My main strength would be sewing, and I usually do it more freehand. I think I have a pretty good sketch and idea of what I want the dress to be. I'm going to use the base of the green velvet dress, take out the lining, either make the back drape like a cow neck, or I might just take out the back completely. I'm gonna take off the sleeves. I will try to figure out a better design for the front and then have ribbons, use that to hold it in the back. These are really nice. I'm just worried more about how my hair is gonna lay. I am going to flat iron my hair, and then I want to do finger waves in the front. Other than that, I hope everybody else's outfit comes out great because I believe in them.
Oh, so sweet.
I love Brie. Brie.
Stop.
I love that she tries a little bit of everything with her everyday style, but today she's really gonna bust those boundaries and take risks.
Love a good risk taker.
Also, I love that she's sewing and deconstructing and putting this whole outfit together, but she's worried about her hair.
Our designers are ready to show us their final upcycled prom looks, but first, judges, will you go to prom with me?
Yes,
Of course.
Okay, here comes Dylan.
Can I borrow that?
Fabulous look. Can you give us one word to describe it for us?
Streetwear elevated.
Hey, judges, what do we think of this look?
It's giving Catwoman.
I love it. I love it. The shape, like the silhouette, the layers. There's so much going on, but also it's so cohesive. I'm feeling it.
The hat, it's giving me Kylie Jenner at the Met Gala.
Yeah, I was.
Oh my god, yeah, the red.
This is actually something I would wear to prom. And I might have to rob you after this. I'm not joking.
Yeah.
May we please see the look without the jacket?
Oh!
I knew there was something hiding in that. And I wore this to Coachella.
What do you think sets your look apart, and why should you win?
That's a hard question because I love the other designers. This really just showcases like my sense of style, and I feel like it's a good outfit to showcase like the Black community and like just like streetwear in general.
I love.
Thank you so much, Dylan.
Started it off strong.
I'm gonna be 100% honest with y'all. After this, I'm gonna ask him to buy it.
No,
So I'm gonna wear that to Coachella.
Or maybe you can get a custom piece for Coachella.
I'm getting that.
Okay.
Okay, and now we have Ali.
I love it. It feels so light and just fun and like exciting. It reminds me of like a cupcake.
Giving like Tinkerbell camp. I'm living for that.
It's like super dainty, super feminine, but then throwing the, what would you call this?
I think I would call it more like a jacket cape.
Yeah, I was gonna say
I'm not
cape.
sure exactly what to name it, but yeah.
Yeah, but I think throwing that on top added a really fun extra layer. So this goes around your arm here. Did you like?
So I found like kind of like a grandma nightgown. I kind of cut it in half I made it into a two-piece. I opened up the shoulder seams and added a mesh layer so that if when the jacket comes off, it's kind of like invisible in the back. And then I used the second piece to kind of make this like little pleated mini skirt to kind of go underneath. And then the cape is made out of a bunch of men's dress shirts.
How many?
That's genius.
3.
I'm so glad you broke it down.
Thank you, Ali. You bodied it. Okay, judges, here comes Brie.
Don't hate on me now. You could emulate, maybe wipe that smug look off your face. But either way, I'm here to stay.
Okay, it's giving under the sea realness. If you could give us one word to describe your look, what would it be? Anguilla.
Oh.
Tropical.
And I know what that means, but for someone that doesn't,
It's an eel, but it's also the island that I was born on.
I'm glad I asked.
Judges, what do you have to say about this look?
I think I'm in love with you. And I'm gay, so that says a lot. Oh my god.
So I'm glad you went with those shoes. I feel like the pop of purple is so cute. And like the layers, this is so like creative and like unique. The gem in the back.
I know you had said you went to do a back open look and you did it.
Everything's from the same store? Is these from like the thrift store?
They're all thrifted.
All thrifted.
All thrifted. The shoes, the 2 dresses, I made the chain in the back.
The makeup looks so beautiful, by the way. Also, are these real piercings or are these? They look amazing.
The green is a dress as well. And like you just cut to a skirt and like sewed it on the inside.
It originally was gonna be the dress, but I didn't like how plain the front was, so I added this second dress on top of it.
Beautiful.
We love it. Thank you so much, Brie.
Also love the hair. I remember talking about the video. The hair looks so good.
No, it turned out really great. Why should we pick you? What sets this look apart from the other two?
Everybody has their own style, and the best choice is the best choice, so mine doesn't necessarily have to be the best choice, but to me, this is what I gave my all to.
Oh, I love that.
Humble queen.
We love it, Brie. Thank you so much.
It's gonna be so hard to choose. They were all so
No,
good.
actually.
It's so creative, too.
I got y'all work cut out trying to choose a winner.
Okay, y'all, so we have the pictures of the contestants. Now let's take a peek. Okay. This was one of my favorites because the outfit is literally something I would wear. Not to mention, I just love the silhouette behind it. It kind of reminded me of like when Kim Kardashian wore the bodysuit at the Met Gala. It reminded me of that.
Yeah, it's giving like just so cohesive. It just makes so much sense.
And I even really like the story behind the jewelry. That was all pieced together as well.
Especially the necklace one?
Yeah, and the chain on the bag was a necklace.
But then there's Allie.
I love Allie's. Like, it just gives little fairy princess, like, very femme.
We have Brie. Now we love Brie. Brie just gives me, like, I want to hug her.
Yeah, and this gives, like, the most prom, I feel like.
Like traditional prom. The most traditional prom.
She's definitely a Pisces. We have the baddest of them all, girl. Picture me. Anyways, this is hard because they all work so hard. And I want to, like, I don't want to pick and choose.
But that is, in fact, exactly what we're here to do.
It was so Simon Cowell.
Okay, judges. I know we had a hard decision to make. Did we make it?
We did.
I think we, narrowed it down. It was very tough.
It was really hard because they were all fantastic.
Contestants, can y'all join me up here on stage, please?
I feel like we're in The Voice.
All of our contestants look beautiful. You guys ate this up. Judges, can y'all give us a little bit of the breakdown of y'all's thoughts on each look?
Take us away.
Okay.
Go ahead.
I'll start with Allie. Like, I love your look. Like, I feel inspired. I feel like it's very light, very fun.
I just love how feminine it was, and I like that it all started from a grandma dress because I would never look at that and be like, my grandma would wear this.
And Brie, your look was super strong. Like, I love the color. I love it's giving aquatic, a Pisces queen. Loving the layers.
I will say, literally obsessed with everything about this look, and I love the hair so much. The piercings sold me because I want the same exact piercings on your face right now.
I really loved the jewelry and the gem in the back and the whole open back that like accentuated the necklace. It was beautiful.
Thank you.
And then mine's winning them. I love this entire outfit. First of all, the jacket itself is like, it's giving Batman, but camp. Like,
and I love that you really leaned into the upcycling and took like old fabric and old pieces to make all the jewelry yourself too. And the chain on the bag, I think, is such a creative idea. All the accessories on this look were everything.
Okay, are we ready to hear who the winner is? Yes, yes, yes. Can we get a little drum roll? The winner is Dylan! Hey, congratulations! Thank you for watching 17's Upcycled Prom Challenge. Happy prom season!